G'day folks, welcome back to the garage. I'm Big Keg and this is an unboxing review of the Porsche Diorama set. I'm a Porsche fan, you probably already know that, and I think this is wonderful. I like the backdrop of it. It looks great. And yeah, so let's just go through what the cars are. We've got a Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup with a tray back. I don't know what that's like. We've got the Porsche 917 LH, which is the green and black, with the number 3 on it. 67 Porsche 911R, obviously the one in the middle, and the Porsche 935 at the end, the white one there. So I've run out of room. I can't have big boxes like this anymore, so I'm going to open all these ones up, all my twin packs, everything, because they're all going to go into jammers. I've got 3 Porsche jammers now, and there's 24 cars in each, so I've got a few, but not as many as Dial-Star Diecast. We did a video today with 222 Porsche cars, which is pretty awesome. Anyway, yeah, shout out to Dial-Star. All right, let's open this up. I was actually trying to be careful, and then I thought to myself, why? You're not going to keep any of it. You're going to put that in the recycling. That's still a good-looking diorama, isn't it? So what do we got here? Oh, we got lots and lots of sticky tape and stuff. And that's going to not look good trying to do that on camera. So I'm not going to try and do it on camera. I'll pull this apart and get back to you. Well, at least this comes off in one big sheet, which makes life a little bit better, because I thought it was lots of bits of sticky tape. Anyway, we'll keep going. Wow, goddamn, that probably took me 3 minutes to unpack that. But yeah, there's various rubber bands on these two, and these have like their own encapsulated, and they're even bloody hard to get off here. Look at that. There we go. Oh, these are encapsulated, aren't they? What the hell? Oh, I see. I'm done. Okay, let's look at this one first. The 917, sorry. The 917 LH. Good looking car. This is a metal base, metal body. I can't read any of that because it's probably upside down. 2017. Staggered wheels. Width-wise, look the same. It's got the little shell. Is it a shell logo? What's that? Looks like a shell logo, doesn't it? That's the only one on it. Really nice blue. I don't know what I think about the green. Team Porsche. That is weighty, I tell you. Beautiful car, but I'm not real keen on that green with the blue. I could think of better choices. So we got that one. Then we've got this one with I have to pull out the rubber bands. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So this is the 1967 911R. The windscreen looks dusty. Great details on the front. Look at it, there's another piece of that. Great details on the front. I like the way they've done those headlights. I know they're only tampoed, but stay in focus, you bugger. That looks rather good. Nice wheels. Can't see the interior. I could if we did this maybe. Maybe if I can keep it from... Oh, no. You can see some of it. My light's too bright. Forget it. Porsche across the back. Nice details. Nice details all around. Again, metal body, metal base. And can I read that? This one was 2023. Whoa. Copyright. So this is like, I think this came out the start of this year. I'm not quite sure. That's nice. That's a gorgeous car. Gorgeous car. Then we've got the sticky taped rubber band. Look at all this shit on here. Come off. Sorry, I should have done this beforehand. But this stuff doesn't want to come off. It does if you pull hard enough, Rob. That's what she said. So this is the 935. It's got a funny little dent just underneath the 59. Can you see that? I wonder what that is. Just above the Porsche badge and below the 59 gumball. Unusual. Cool. Gas filler cap there. Top of the windscreen is sort of hazed out. You got the aero... Oh, I can't think what they're called now. Someone put it in the comments for me. What style of wheels are those on the front? Aero... Oh, God. Can't remember. I like the wheels on the back. I probably would have preferred them all round. What's that? Brumos Porsche. I don't know what that is. The exhaust could have probably been done a little bit better. It is a solid metal wing. And I've got upside down because that's all I know how to do. 2022. You don't actually see many of these about. I'm just looking at my Super Treasure Hunt. Yeah, that's a 935. Same car. There you go. Well, I didn't know that. My one and only Super Treasure Hunt. Anyway. That's cool. Nice. Like that. Then this one, which is going to be a bugger to get off. There we go. Oh, this is heavy too. So we've got the T1 transporter. Oh, it does slide back. That's all it does. I don't want to pull it too hard. That's what she said. I like the way they've done the headlights on that. Good details. They just want to be good details because this is an expensive set. I can't pronounce that. Rendist Porsche. Good details. Only disappointment is that doesn't look right to me. Is it upside down? Of course it's upside down. Porsche Transporter T1, Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup, 2017. That just, like, I would have preferred them to put something else in there because, you know, it's just, it looks illegal to even put a car on that. And we're going to do that in a minute. But yeah, I'm disappointed with this. I love the casting. Absolutely love it. But yeah, I think they probably could have come up with a better vehicle. So just bear with me and I'll get rid of some rubbish here. Here's what I mean about this transporter. This is the smallest car, and it's... Can we put this one on? No. It just doesn't, like, that's just dumb to me. It doesn't work. Why have a transporter? Like, yeah, I don't know. For the sake of realism, that fits, but would you drive down the road? I mean, look at the size of that, look at the size of that. They don't really, Anyway, should have been a bigger transporter. I suppose you could go like that. No, anyway. This is a cool set. It's all going in the jammers now because I've just run out of room. But I like it because it's Porsche. Here I am trying to make them look arty-farty. What do you reckon? Not a bad set, that. Are they worth the money? They're all metal bases, all of them. That lets the whole thing down. All right, that's it for now. Catch you on the next one. Hooroo!